Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. All right, so we are going to do some parallel lines and plane stuff today. So, keywords are parallel and skew lines, and then we're going to do this right here first. We're going to mess with the parallel planes and skew lines that are going on here. We're going to mess with this on the next video. Okay, so what I want you to do is copy all this stuff down, check it out, boom. Here's what I got. So here's your title, Parallel and Skew Lines. When two lines lie in the same plane and do not intersect. So same plane, do not intersect. They are parallel. And parallel, you write like PQ, and you draw these two lines like this. That means parallel to RS, line segment RS. So copy that down, blah, blah, blah. Second thing, lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar, they're not on the same plane, are skew lines. And we're going to go over what those are in this first example right here. Okay, copy those down. Okay, here you go. So here's the example. If you want some help to draw that thing, what I do is I just draw one rectangle here. And then sort of like diagonal to that, draw a congruent rectangle. And then connect the corners, and then you got that part right there. So that's how you draw it. If you have trouble drawing it, then label it. All right, here you go. So we have A, B, and C. I want to make sure I get the same answers as this. I'm doing it right off of this part right here. Okay. So, name all planes that are parallel to A, B, D. Okay. So A, B, D. So that's the top. That's the top of the box. That's what I'm thinking about. So you could have said A, D, C. So it's all this. So it's this top part. No. So what is a plane that's parallel to that? Well, that's the bottom part, right? So the top and the bottom are parallel. So I can say any three non-collinear points. So I can say plane E, FH if I want, or I can say plane EHG if I want. That's the same thing. So EFG or EHG, doesn't matter. Let's see what they say in the answers. EFH. So they say EFH. The first thing we did. Okay, got it. Let's do the next one. Name all segments. So segments, I'm thinking about a line. Segment like that. So not a plane, just a line segment, that are parallel to CG. Okay, so I got my picture. CG is this. So parallel to that is, right here, BF. Those are parallel, right? So BF. There's two more. There's two more that are parallel to this. What else? Oh yeah, DH right here. That goes up and down, right? On the corner of the box. DH. And I have another one right here, AE. So this and this are parallel, right? A and E. Line segment. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I got this right. BF, DH, AE. Cool. All three. If I got something wrong, I would go look and see how I need to improve and then fix it. That's how we learn. All right, next. Here's this new word. No parallel. What the hell is skew? Let's figure it out. Name all segments that are skew to EH. So where the hell is EH? So EH is here. Now, what does skew mean again? I need to go over the definition again. Lines that do not intersect and are not coplanar, so not on the same plane, are skew lines. So like FG right here, that's on the same plane as this. So that's not skew. But what is? Oh, this. Like this. CD. CD is going above it. That's not on the same plane, and it doesn't intersect with this right here. It's way above it. So CD is one part. That is skew. One line segment, that's skew. Anything else? Yeah. AB. AB right here. Line segment AB is skew. It's not on the same plane and it doesn't intersect with EH. Anything else? Yeah. What about this in the back? BF. Why? Because it doesn't intersect with EH and it's not on the same plane. It's on the back part of the box, right? Not the bottom part or the front of the box. Anything else? Yeah, CG. Right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if I have the same answer. Or there's more. Oh, there's 5. So BF, got that. CG, got that. Oh, we forgot BD. Okay. So we forgot the BD. Right here. So this line here, almost forgot that part, is not on the same plane, and it's not going to intersect because it's on the top of the box, it's on the bottom of the box. So that's going to be BD. Bam. Cool. All right, so now I think I understand everything. So now let's try practice. Here you go. So copy this down in your notes. Looks like this. Exercises 1 to 3. 1 to 3. They get kind of nasty down here. Look at this thing. So 1, 2, 3. That's all we're doing right now. Okay. So draw it before, like draw a rectangle, diagonal, and then connect the corners like that, and so you got the same picture. Okay. If you want to pause the video, make sure you get your picture right. Do that. Name all planes that intersect plane OPT. Okay. OPT. Where the hell is that? OPT. So that is this plane right here. So that's the right side of the box. So parallel to that would be, the left side of the box. So that could be plane. So all I have to do is name 3 of the points that are not on the same line. So like M, N, U. Or I could say like M, R, U. That's the same answer. Let's see. So those are cool. So leave it like that. Next, number 2. Name all segments that are parallel to line segment NU. So NU is here. This is very similar to the example we have. There's 3 answers. Do you know what they are? Write them down. Yeah. OT, right here. Parallel. MR. Parallel. And what's the last one? Yeah. RS. Got it. All right. Now, number 3. Name all segments that intersect line segment MP. Here's MP. Bam. So name all segments that intersect this part. So that means it has a touch. So I'm looking at OP right here. And what's the other one? Yeah. NM or MN, same thing. Got it. Those intersect them. MN, MN. Oh, is there something else? Yeah. PS. That intersects MP. Anything else? Yeah. MR. Boop. This is all about improving your spatial awareness. Cool. Now knock out the checkpoint. Good work, everybody.